You have to. We were writing the notes in the previous class. So we can start writing.
Join now.
Who
Ma'am,
joined?
did we write any notes
No,
in
no, no.
last
I'm going
class?
to write now.
Ma'am, last class did we write anything?
Last class we wrote about
You only wrote the heading.
what
Net of
heading we
solid.
wrote.
The net of solid.
Of solid. Now we
Ma'am,
can.
should we? Ma'am, can you show the heading?
Yes, yes. Wait.
Net of solid.
Wait.
Ma'am,
Net of solid.
ma'am, should we?
Ma'am, I have a doubt that when you write the net of solid,
First one you write
two headings,
net of a solid. Definition you write. Now stop talking. Enough. Now enough
Your
talking.
board is stuck.
Whose board?
Your board.
Ma'am, should we write net of solids or net
Heading you
of a
write.
solid?
Net of
Should we write
solid.
net of a solids or net of a
Both are
solid?
same. Net of a solid. Who is talking
And
now?
can you write one? Can you write one
It's
of
the
these?
heading. Net of solid.
Ma'am, can we write?
So what is net of a solid?
Both. You can write net of a solid also. Net of solid. No problem.
Can we write one of them?
Yes.
I
Anyone
would
of them
net.
can write. Who is
Net of
talking still?
solid.
This is the heading. Net of solid.
Okay. Now the definition. Can you put full screen?
Full screen you want?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you put full screen?
It's not yet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, this is Izan. I cannot turn on my video
Yes, Isan is having issue now from the
due to
beginning.
a network issue.
I am seeing from the beginning. You are admitting many times and again leaving.
Ma'am, I have network. Ma'am, can you write it?
Ma'am, will you send the notes in the WhatsApp?
Ah, yes, I will send.
And can you make the board a big?
One.
Can you make the board bigger? Can
Net
I-
of a solid.
Ma'am, the screen is just more than half, but not full.
Can you put full screen?
I can only see the phone.
Ma'am,
Yes, net of a solid. Who is talk? Who unmuted there? The 2D.
Not me.
2D framework, two-dimensional. 2D means two-dimensional framework. 2D framework of a 3D solid. Of a three-dimensional solid is called
I can see the board properly.
as the 2D framework of a 3D solid is called net of a solid. First definition of net of a solid.
Can I ask a doubt?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in workbook page number 6, when you send the notes, you have drawn something,
okay, ma'am,
a
finish.
circle. So we should copy that drawing in our workbook.
In which workbook? No, not necessary. That clock, no, that is a clock.
20th question.
Yes, no need of copying the clock there.
Only need to write the sentence.
Yes. 2D framework of a three-dimensional solid is called.
I drew the clock.
No need, not necessary. Only to understand.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, will you send work outside only
What?
page? 7th page I only write.
7 page. I cannot hear you properly.
Yeah, ma'am.
She says she writes. till 7 pages.
Yes.
I only write till 7th page, ma'am, in workbook. Can you send the?
Yes, I sent and already I sent it. You can see there.
But ma'am, I did not get. I looked
Okay,
in
you
the
send me one
WhatsApp.
message. I will send to you afterwards. Forward to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish.
After finishing, after 5 o'clock, you send the message.
Ma'am, finish.
Next one you write. The 2D framework of a three-dimensional solid is called net of a solid. Who is talking there? Manav, are you talking there? Yes, mute Manav now. Next you write net of a cube. Net of a cube. Net of a cube. Net of a cube is having 6 faces. Net of a cube is having 6 faces.
Ma'am, that's it.
Yes, net of a cube is having 6 faces. All faces are squares. All faces are squares. Net of a cube is having 6 faces and all faces are squares.
6 faces. Ma'am, finish.
Yes, finish now. Net of a
Ma'am, what's this square? I didn't understand.
what? Square.
Yeah.
Square means like this shape. All 4 sides are equal.
Ma'am, she asked me square. She didn't understand spelling.
What?
Square.
Square. Square. Square. Shall I rub it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Ma'am,
you write.
can
Yes.
I ask a doubt?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me.
I didn't understand what is the meaning of net of solid.
Net of solid means you did not understand.
What is net of solid?
Who is asking that now?
Ma'am,
Anjima? Okay, I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
tell you after finishing this. I will tell you. Okay. Once
Okay,
again, I
ma'am.
will explain to you. Next one you write. Next, net of a cuboid. Net of a cuboid.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes,
have
tell
a
me.
doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of framework?
Framework means it is only the unfolding shape.
Okay.
That's all. What is the framework? Instead of unfolding, they used the word as framework.
Okay, ma'am.
Because definition as in the textbook we can write. I think this is the correct definition given, I think, in the textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish. Net of a cuboid. Is having 6 faces. It is having 6 faces. 4 rectangles and 2 squares. 4 rectangles are there.
I'm finished. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Finished.
And after it is having 6 faces, is it a full stop?
Yes, 6 faces are there. 4 rectangles.
And now that it
Yes.
is having 6 spaces. After
Yes.
that, is it full stop?
4 rectangles and 2 squares. 4 if you want to write in words, you can write it.
Finished now.
4 rectangles and 2 squares. For easier wrote
Finish,
4.
ma'am.
Finished.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Next one, shall we go to the cylinder?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Cylinder.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Cylinder.
Okay. Cylinder. It's a cylinder.
Net of a cylinder. You can write.
Ma'am, net of a cylinder.
Yes. Net of a cylinder.
Ma'am, I first write cylinder. That is
No
okay.
problem. Cylinder already we are written the heading. Net of solids. So no problem. It is cylinder. Yes. Net of a cylinder.
Ma'am, for the definition.
Yes, you have to write.
The definition.
Net of
I
a
can't
cylinder is having
Ma'am, but I wrote, it is having like
net of a cylinder.
can I cut it?
Both are same. You don't change it. It is having
Can
enough.
I write it is having?
Yes, it is left to you because different you can use different sentence. Same sentence only. No need of writing.
Net of cylinder is
Net of a cylinder is having. Yes.
Is having
2 circular faces. 2 circular ends. 2 circular ends and a rectangle. Yes, tell me.
not 2 circular faces.
2 circular ends or faces you can write. No problem.
Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Cylinder is having 2 circular faces.
Ma'am, can I write faces?
Yes, you can write.
Ma'am, I wrote it is having 4. No, it is having 2 circular ends and a rectangle.
Yes, 2 circular and 2 circles and 2 rectangles also you can write. Or circular faces.
Can be.
Ma'am, we should write
2 rectangles.
2 circular faces and 2 rectangular.
2 rectangles don't write. Only 1 rectangle. And a rectangle. Only 1 rectangle is there. 2 rectangles are not there. In the cone. Cylinder. 2 rectangles are not there. Only 1 rectangle is there. And the 2 are
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
finished.
I'm finished.
Okay, next one, last one we can write. Net of a cone.
Net.
Ma'am, can you say the net of a cylinder?
Cylinder I am
Ma'am.
reading now, you can write it.
Yes.
Net of a cylinder is net of a cylinder is having 2 circular ends and a rectangle. or two circular faces and a rectangle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just tell me.
Ma'am, does corn is CURNE or C?
C-O-N-E.
Okay, ma'am.
C-O-N-E. Corn.
This
I think it's corn.
then CORN is
No, no, no.
eating corn.
C-O-N-E.
Yeah, eating corn.
Not
There's
corn.
different type of corn. Sweet corn and
Net of a corn net of a corn is having net of a corn is having a circular base, a circular CIR circular base
it is having
and
a circular
a and a curved surface.
base.
Finish, ma'am.
Net of a corn is having a circular base and a curved surface.
Finish, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish.
So many of them unmuted. I should mute from here.
Yes, ma'am.
Felix unmuted.
Ma'am, you should mute from there.
Yes, because muting from here, it won't look nice. No sound in the class. So that also feeling bore. That is why I'm not muting from here. If I'm muting here from here, you cannot unmute. But I cannot stand without any response. So net of a cone is having a circular base and a, then who did not understand that? Manjima not understood, you told. What is meant by net? Three-dimensional figure is unfolded. That means it is opened. This is a Manjima, you can listen here. It is opened. Now, Manav, are you listening here? Are you playing?
No, ma'am.
It is a three-dimensional figure. If it is opened, and this type of process, this process is called net. The three-dimensional figure is unfolded to get a two-dimensional solid is called the, what it is called? It is called the net of
Ma'am, can you share the board?
yes. Manjima,
Thank
do
you,
you
ma'am.
understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
There's no doubt now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So now how will you draw this net of this cube, cuboid and cone and cylinder? You should draw the figure. How will you draw this net? Next one you
Should
can
we draw the 3D or 2D?
three-dimensional figure. You are drawing how the shape will come. So here, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. First draw.
Yes. You can see here. How will you draw the net of this cube? How many faces here? 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, and both the ends 2 squares are there. So you can draw this net as 6 squares.
6 faces.
6 faces. So one square here you can draw it. Another square, second one, third one, and the fourth one. Here also you can draw one more square. This will be the net of a cube. No need of writing.
First because I don't have net.
No, did you understand this? What is the net of a cube? Six squares you should draw it. 6 squares means 1, 2, 3, 4 straight, and to any side you can mark it. Here also you can mark it. Here also you can mark it because it will be depending upon how you are
take the class pass?
Yes.
Because I don't have my tab. Ma'am, should we write it with the notes? Should we draw it
Yes, ma'am.
with the notes?
Ma'am.
Ma'am is talking with another teacher, so wait.
Ma'am, you are. Ma'am.
Yes. 1 minute. There will be some technical issues here. So that they will, suddenly the Wi-Fi will go off. So that if it is there, if it is off means use 10 minutes more only to complete this class. So if it is off means you can leave the class. After 20 minutes only it will start. Did you understand what I told?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So chairman told some technical issues for some repair is going on. So that 20 minutes it will be off. Now from this time onwards, when it is off means you can sit, not now, don't go now. Don't leave it now. When it is goes off, you can understand that some technical issue and you can leave the class till I am finished completing this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So if there will be an issue.
There is a technical issue. They will off the Wi-Fi now.
Okay.
Now means when ma'am came and told here, so if it is off means it is understood that there is no connection here. And
Yeah, Deepa will send a message.
So
Yeah,
ma'am,
send the message.
Because we can leave the meeting.
Again, I will not send the message. That is why ma'am came and told to tell the children directly itself. Okay. If you finish means, if it is suddenly off means you can understand some technical issues here. They are repairing and you
When
can,
will it start?
wind up the class. Only 10 more minutes hours. Yes or no? So
Ma'am,
till there,
when will it start?
yes.
Ma'am, so after some time, when you automatically have a technical issue, someone else will become the host. So we can leave the meeting then.
Yes, I will end meeting now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I will end meeting now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how many minutes will it take? The
It will take 20
technical
minutes. 20 minutes. So this period will finish.
So that's
Okay. So shall we start now next?
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, when will it start? When will the
I don't know.
Ma'am,
When they are off. When it is
Start
off,
when they switch it off.
net of a cube. This is the meter. You can understand this?
notes?
Yes, you can write this. So this is the net of a cube. Next one you can write.
Ma'am, should we draw the net of
Yes.
the cube with the notes?
Next one you can write in notes.
Ma'am,
Drawing of net.
should we draw all should we write it in the book?
No, they are all in class notes only. Drawing of net.
Should we draw the net of all the
All you should draw it. First one cube. Cube. 4 squares you can draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And
Homework.
cube. This is the shape you will get.
Ma'am, should we draw it with pencil?
You have to draw with pencil. Yes.
Ma'am, my tab does not have charge.
Yes.
It will. And my tab does not have charge. It will.
Draw with pencil. Ma'am, my phone also. Draw with
With pencil.
My tab does
Drawing you
not
can draw it
have-
with pencil.
And my
Yes.
tab does not have battery, so it will run.
You can draw with pencil.
And it run.
Write with pen.
Ma'am, Siddhi is asking something.
Yes, Siddhi.
My tab will run out soon. So.
I did not understand what you told.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, her tab, there is not battery. Her battery slow.
Okay. It will be come down now. Here also it is. They are going to off.
like
For 20.
this. Ma'am, is this correct?
Yes. Yes, Srihari.
Ma'am, is this correct?
Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, Srihari.
Yes. Siddhi. Okay. Second one. Shall we draw it now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Cuboid.
Second one.
It is completing next tomorrow. We can start perspective. Next one. 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles, and here you mark it as a square. It is coming as rectangles only, but my shape.
Rectangle.
So here you should draw it as a square.
Rectangle.
Net of a cuboid.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I draw it.
Yes.
Our class, how?
Ma'am, don't rub.
Yes, yes. Next one, cylinder. Like this one, circle here and other circle here.
Ma'am, the side ends of the cuboid should be square.
Or
Ma'am, I
4
draw it.
rectangles and 2 squares.
Cylinder, you have to draw like the division. symbol.
Division. Ma'am, will that two circles in
The
the
division
different
symbol.
side or like a division?
Yes, which one?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, that cylinder
it
will
looks like
look
a
like
division
the
symbol.
two. Ma'am, should be right.
Okay.
Ma'am, will it look like a division
is
or
this much
the
only.
two circles in different
Yes, yes.
or in different side? And the cylinder is
Cylinder is looking
two
like a
circles
yes.
in different
What you
side.
can write?
the next
Opposite side.
Cone. Cone is like this, one curved surface and a circle here.
Ma'am, what is the opening?
Which one?
Cone.
Cone. One curved surface like this.
Ma'am, but cone is like a down a circle, then
Circle.
different shape, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am, you show
opening.
the opening, not the. Ma'am, we are showing 2D light of them. Not
Ma'am,
the 3D.
you,
Yes, cone I
you
will see
show
here.
the
Figure it there.
joining of a cone. You
Yes,
should
what?
draw like how the ma'am is
Edge of a
showing.
cone.
Let
Draw
me
like
see here.
how.
Shapes are there. Cone. Cone is opening, not this one.
Ma'am, this is the opening.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Cone
this
here.
is the opening of the cone.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finish. So shall we wind up here now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
What cone is like?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Finish.
Cone you want to do like this.
Ma'am.
Cone is like a big
You want to draw it cone?
shape.
Ma'am,
And it is like a shape of a yeah, a curved surface and a circle, right?
Circle. Here one.
Yeah.
Circle is
The
not.
cone has a circular base and a curved surface.
Circle and it is not
Yeah,
joined there.
a curved surface and a
Yeah, circle and
circular base.
Yes.
do we need to draw like that?
Okay, these are the things. Next one more topic and workbook also we can do it on next class. Then to whom I told the seminar, I did not say to anybody. Yes, I will send the notes.
Yes, ma'am. Avantika.
Ma'am.
Avantika and Ashwin.
Avantika did, ma'am. Ashwell didn't do. He had a network issue.
Ma'am, speaker book. Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye.
Bye everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
One can leave.
Everybody.
Bye.
See you in the group. Bye.
See you in the group. Bye bye.
I think it's network issue. That's why, ma'am. All right, 20 minutes. That's okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
now
That's
everyone,
it. We
1,
can
2, 3, leave the class.
Can we stop recording?